Welcome all. Today we are going to learn the difference between map and FlatMap stream functions. This is the third video of this series, and if you are not familiar with the basic concepts, please watch our earlier videos. We'll begin with the map function. We can use the map function to transform one object into another by using a lambda function. Let's see an example. Here I have created a list of some random words. Now let me create a stream and apply map function. I'm converting each word into its uppercase format. Also, we can print each word now. Let me run our program. And here we can see that each word is converted into its uppercase format. Now, let's try to understand when to use the FlatMap function. The FlatMap function is basically used to flatten the stream. Consider we have a stream in which each object is a list, and we need to perform an action on each object of the list. Now, by applying FlatMap, we can convert this stream of list into a stream of object. Then we can apply any function easily on each object of the list. Let's try to understand this with an example. Here I have created a class called item. It has a name and price. Also, I have created two lists having items. Then I have added this list of items into another list. Here we are trying to find the items having price greater than 15. First I'll create a stream. Then we can apply a FlatMap function on it. FlatMap function will flatten the list of lists into the stream of items. Once we have the stream of items, we can easily apply a filter function. Here I'm just writing a lambda function which will filter out the items having price more than 15. I have collected the output into a list. I'm just printing out all the items which matched our criteria. Let me run our program. Here we can see two items matched our criteria. Here notice we gave input as list of list and the output is list of item. Let's do a quick revision. Consider we have a stream of collection of items. Here we can have any type of collection like a list or a set. Now if we apply a map function, the output will be a stream of collection of objects. But if we apply a FlatMap function, it will flatten the collection and the output will be stream of object. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.